Hey guys, so today we're going to be looking at the new addition to the Adjustable Pinch Perfect, which are these two spacers. So one of these spacers is for 40-ounce handle tumblers, and then the other is for 30-ounce thick tumblers. And the reasons we're adding these to the product is because we've had a lot of people reach out to us asking about using this tool with larger tumblers. When you're doing larger tumblers, we always say that you need to pull the arms open a little bit to place the tumbler in without messing up your wrap. A lot of people are trying to just push the tumbler in at this smaller distance, which is messing up the wrap when they're doing it. That's why we always say pull it out, give it some room, place your tumbler in. Works a lot better that way. But we figured that we could make something to solve that problem. So let me show you how to add these two spacers to this tool and what you should use them for. Now I want to say this before we get into placing them in the tool. You should use these only and only for larger tumblers. If you're doing smaller tumblers like 20 ounce, 15 ounce, 16 ounce, you should take these out just so you're not loosening up the bands on the bottom over time. So use these only for the larger tumblers that they're meant to be used for. Okay, so we have our 30-ounce thick tumbler right here. And what we're gonna do is grab our 30-ounce spacer. Now as you can see, it says 30-ounce spacer back, and what back means is that we want to place this. We're gonna move the arm all the way, slide the brace forward, and we're gonna place this in the back of the tool. And you just set it in there, slides to the back, let that go, and then now you have extra room between the two arms, making the brace a little bigger, which is gonna make placing your tumbler in the tool a lot easier. Now we have our 40-ounce handle tumbler here. I didn't have a blank one. I only had this one, so we're just gonna be using this one. And we have our 40-ounce spacer here. And as you can see, it says 40-ounce spacer front. So this is gonna go on the front side of the brace. Now when we do the 40-ounce one, we also wanna keep the 30-ounce one in. So if you're doing 30-ounce to probably around 35, you can get away with just doing the 30-ounce spacer in. Anything above that, suggest using both the 30-ounce and then using the 40-ounce, placing that one in the front. So we're just gonna open the arm up, keeping the brace where it is, and then we're just gonna place 41 right there, close it, and then now you have the widest spacing option. That makes it easier for you to do the 40-ounce handle tumblers or 40-ounce thick tumblers. And that's it. It's super easy to do. Like I said, all you're doing is just moving the brace in the arm to the front, placing this in there. It's the same size, just slide it in, let it go, and then it sits there. Same with the 40-ounce. Now, like I said, if you're not doing these larger tumblers, take them out so you don't loosen up these bands over time. But other than that, that is how you use these new spacers. Thanks for watching this video and hope this addition helps the next time you do these larger tumblers.